And once again, very good evening to volleyball bowlers. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to announce entering his 22nd season as volleyball, Dave Yarborough.
Thank you. 23rd, starting season 23. I ended 22 last week. I've been here way too long. All right, for those of you who don't know me, I'm Dave. I've got the money. Hi, everybody. Thanks for braving the weather and coming out tonight. Tonight, I will be calling all 5 pairs while Teresa comes around to collect their money. Once Teresa's done collecting, she'll take over on 15 through 18, pardon me. And I'll call 19 through 24. Just make sure I have an aisle here to walk down and pay everybody. I've tripped once already, I'm not going to trip again. And we're done. For my new bowlers, if I call the money shot on your first shot, throw the strike to get paid. If I call on your spare shot, pick up the spare to get paid. The high game pot sheet, right next to the wheel, behind 21 and 22.
Hey, I started with my money too.
Write down your scores as soon as you finish each game. We're paying first and second for the men, first place only for the women. If you get a blue straight head pin, comes touches the one on 24, comes spin the wheel behind 21 and 22, and a strike will be worth $1.02 spin.